The stupid reality of stupid chronic pain is that it's stupid and painful when you have too much stuff to do. I have so much to do before the wedding this upcoming weekend. I have to do it, even though it feels like somebody just hit me in the head with a baseball bat. At the same time, they are grabbing my occipital nerve and tearing it out. And I have to prep for a wedding. If you guys haven't been following along and you didn't know, we are having a wedding here at our house for my sister and her fiance this upcoming Saturday. We've been cleaning our yard. We've been getting things ready. I've been hanging lights, hanging fabric, hanging more lights. And it has been just like chaos city, but it has also been the chronic pain week from hell. Probably stress, I would assume. It seems as though every time I have something important going on, whether I'm traveling, whether I'm decorating for a wedding, I've got something fun planned. My head is like, if you didn't know, I suffer with a chronic pain condition called cluster headaches. I've had them for like 13 or 14 years. I don't even know how many years I've had them. I've done all the things. I've tried all the things. I took my injection this morning. It worked for about 45 minutes and now we're back in pain, baby. So now my leg hurts and my head hurts. What we're gonna be doing today is I am gonna be making chicken wire structures for flowers. I'm going to do a You Pick flower garden this upcoming Friday. I'm going to go pick a bunch of dahlias, roses, and zinnias from a local flower farm. And I'm gonna be doing all of the flowers for this wedding. This is a very, very DIY. We're doing it all ourselves. So I got these really pretty lights. You probably can't even see them behind me, but at night it looks like this. It's absolutely stunning. And this is the gazebo that we had built. I call it a gazebo. It's more like a pavilion or outdoor structure. I don't know. It's absolutely huge. Gazebos are more like the tiny little carousel looking things. This thing, beastly. But it's really cool because here's the plan. So this isn't actually the fabric that we're going to be using for the wedding, but this is one that I bought from Amazon and I was like, gonna potentially use this. It wasn't enough because this space is, again, it's huge. But the wedding colors are light pink and white. We're talking like that blush pink color. So what the plan is, I've got 6 tables that are gonna go in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6 rounds. My sister will stand up at the front. Her wife will walk down the center and meet her up at the front. Everyone will be sitting at their tables. We're not gonna do like chairs and then move the tables in. I think the tables are just gonna be in here with the space that we have. And then I'm actually gonna take dahlias and I'm like using chicken wire. I took a flower decorating class so that I can learn how to arrange bouquets. And I am going to hang flowers up here, like in the center. I'm gonna have things draping. I'm gonna have them coming off. This fabric that you see is gonna wrap around this pole and then come down here as well on both sides, a la the photo I am showing you right now. Oh my goodness, did you call me like a tray? This is my Mimi girl. She is not an outside kitty. She was a street cat, do you guys remember?
She's the Mimi to our Mimis.
This is the mama to all those stray cats that I feed. I still feed them all. I don't know if you guys knew that. Remember at my old house, well, that was like 5 years ago now, 4 years? I fed all those stray kittens and got them all spayed and neutered. Do you guys remember that? This is the mom to all of those. And she's our inside girl, but we just started letting her out like 2 weeks ago because she actually ran out and we realized she doesn't go anywhere. She sits on the porch and then she follows me around. She's so good. If you call her name, she comes. She's so cute. Please, can you even handle it? This is Mimi. But when I say this woman is the cutest cat I've ever seen, there is something about her that is so special and unique. I just absolutely am obsessed with her. She is
such a good Mimi. She's so stinking good.
When she gets excited when she comes outside, like I only let her out when I'm out and she just follows me around. She's so good. This morning I went down to go like take care of the chickens and she ran up a tree and then came down. When I call her name right now, she's rolling around on the ground. She's like literally couldn't be cuter. It's sickening. The thing is about me is I love a good party plan. It's very, very fun for me. I get a lot of enjoyment out of it. It like works my brain in an amazing way. I think it's not good for me. I can feel the stress in my neck. I'm gonna show you what I got from Amazon. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I have planned, some of the Pinterest ideas. We're just gonna chat and have a good day. I'm gonna share about it on my Instagram. So if you guys wanna follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna share all about it, show pictures, videos and stuff like that and do like a little reel or whatever. I've been doing a lot of reels lately. We're gonna get this space wedding ready. It's getting close. We've done so much work out here, you can't even tell. Before we hop into the meat and potatoes of today's video, a word from our sponsor. Hungry Root. If you guys have never heard of Hungry Root, oh, what a lifesaver they are. Hungry Root is a meal and grocery delivery service, and I absolutely love them. They have made my life so much easier, so much better. I so look forward to the deliveries. The thing that's really cool about Hungry Root that I feel like is different than anything else I've seen is that you can not only order your meal. So say you see a meal that you really like a steak salad or a chicken quesadilla or something like that. When you click on it, on your profile, it will tell you all the ingredients that come in there. But say you already have chicken at home or you have too much or you need to use, you can remove the chicken from that dish and just use the stuff that you have. And then it'll add extra credits back to your account that you can use for something else. You can add groceries. So I added apples, I added lettuce, I added cucumbers to my list. There's also lots of snacks. My son has absolutely loved so many of the snacks, specifically this little hummus and cracker snack pack. He loved it. He was really hesitant to try it because hummus, I feel like for a kid, sometimes they're kind of like, I don't know. He freaking loved it so much. I also love too that the meals aren't all just ingredients. Sometimes there's like items that are pre-cooked or pre-packaged. And so it feels like the meals come together really, really fast. They're very easy to make. They're very delicious. I have marked on my profile that I'm gluten-free, and it's just been so lovely because everything it recommends to me, like my whole family loves, everything's absolutely delicious. It's really easy to customize in your profile what you want and easy to remove things and add things, groceries or meals. The meals are really balanced, really delicious. I've been trying to eat much more low carb, and I have been doing that, and it's been really easy for me to find meals that fit within my lifestyle. It's honestly like having someone else do all of the shopping and meal prepping so you don't have to, but again, if you want to, you can. When you build your profile for Hungry Root, they ask you all the different questions. So they ask how many meals per week do you want, if you have any dietary restrictions, and then they build you a cart based on your specifications, and I found that they hit the nail on the head for me. Everything that I said, I got sent everything that I love. They've got fresh produce, meat, seafood, everything's so high quality. They have snacks, they have groceries, they have vitamins, supplements, and they just have so much more, and I truly cannot speak highly enough about it. The first 100 people to use my code RawBeautyKristi40 will get 40% off of their first grocery order with Hungry Root. You guys can use the link down in the description, or you guys can scan the QR code up on the screen using code RawBeautyKristi40 to get 40% off. And I thank you so much, Hungry Root, for sponsoring this portion of today's video and for just being a service that has been so valuable to our family. And let's hop back into wedding prep. So I actually found a dahlia stand on the side of the road. This was $5 for this. Can you even believe it? I am hoping for a similar color palette to this for the wedding. And yeah, this place told me they wouldn't let me do a U-pick, but the place hopefully that I'm gonna go will have something similar to this. And I just am obsessed. I think they are so beautiful. I think dahlias might be my favorite flower ever. I bought coated chicken wire from Amazon, and I didn't pay attention to the size of the roll, and I thought I was buying a full-size roll of chicken wire, but it turns out I was buying 4 meters. A lot of people use floral foam. The way that I learned how to do it is with chicken wire, and you like ball it up inside of the vase.
All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna add in a little bit more grass. Again, all the texture when you're working in a monochromatic color palette, you wanna make sure that there's a lot of depth.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so maybe I'll start with like a pool noodle? I'm trying to think of some way that I can get maybe a piece of paracord and a pool noodle. I'm trying to think of ways that I can get it up there and to stay where it's at, that I can wrap with this, and then I can push the blooms in. This video is really fun to watch, I'm sure of it. Oh my God, I'm so stressed out. Centerpieces are gonna be flowers. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow is the rehearsal. I'll film a little bit of that to show kind of what the plan is, what things are gonna be. We'll see. I'm gonna try to figure all of this out. I've never done this before. All right, it's the next day, and we are heading into the flower farm to see what we've got. They recommended I come to the flower farm about 3 days before the wedding to just see where everything's at, look at colors, and see if they have what I need. And I'm about to walk into it, and it is, I'm gonna cry. Like, this is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. So right off the bat, I can already tell these are a hell yeah. I cannot even take how beautiful these dahlias are. Like, just look at this. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. Like, this is what I imagine it would look like. And then there's this whole rows of celosia as well, which I did not know would be here. But look, they also have snapdragons. This is the color. So this is the wedding colors. Some of these are already at the end of their life, but there's definitely going to be some that I can pick, which is great. Oh my God. Okay, I'm in disbelief right now at how gorgeous all of these are. Please look at this, Dahlia. Look at this. Aren't these the most beautiful colors you've ever seen? This soft, I can't, look at that right there. Are you kidding me? All right, so I went and rented a bunch of stuff from a local rental place. We're gonna put like party favors on this thing, linens, fake greenery if I need it, some wood rounds for the tables, these little votives that are like pink and really cute, some fake baby's breath that I can use to just like fill in. We've got some wooden cupcake towers, some chargers, plates. I brought the dahlias out here so I could kind of see the vibe. I also got these in the mail yesterday. These are the correct curtains, and I'm gonna be hanging these right now so you guys can watch me do that. So I got these from Amazon. There were 8 of them in the pack, and that's great because you really need to double them up to get like that really good look. Like each of these have 2, so you can see how they're very sheer. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Okay, we're gonna go big drape from you. Okay, so we're gonna go from this down and over to the beam. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my fuck. You guys want to see what I just saw? Fuck, please don't fall on me. Please don't fall on me. Please. Do you see that, bitch? What makes you think you can live up there, huh? I'm gonna try to ignore you. I'm not scared of spiders, but I certainly don't want them crawling on me when they're that big. Okay. Maybe he likes pink. Okay, so we've got this guy going all the way across. Now we're gonna start at the top and drape like this. You know what? I'm gonna get that spider down. I just really don't feel like dealing with him right now. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Come on. Oh, because you live in the wood pile. Can you crawl onto this? There you go. Go back to your wood pile, honey. Thank you. It just seems to want to like bunch. No gaps, no gaps. Oh, you stupid fucking bitch ass hoe ass. All of you guys are like, we want to see you do party planning. This is Kristi party planning. Just cussing at a bunch of fucking things all the time. You, my dear, are going to also need to shut the fuck up. Okay. Toss you over there. Oh, Mimi.
Oh, Mimi, so sweet.
We're getting there. I see the vision. I see the vision. And then that's gonna go over. I'm gonna take that other piece, connect it in with that, do another drape. We're gonna cut to the finished product now. I think this is about what it's gonna look like. There's gonna be a bunch of flowers here, a bunch of flowers here, a bunch of flowers here, some down here, tables. So I think that's about as good as I'm gonna be able to drape that. It is way harder than you think it's gonna be. Like you think, yeah, it's easy draping fabric. No. I also feel like the wind is gonna come through and knock all of this down. These are the Smash and Tess. Is it Smash Tess or Smash and Tess? I don't know. Overalls, that like the Birds Papaya just collabed with them. I bought these. They were pretty expensive, actually. I think these were like $200, which is crazy. So they are tight on me. I could have gone a size up for sure because these accentuate an area that I am not happy with, but I do really like them. And I have recently lost 10 pounds, which is amazing. I don't want to even talk about it because I don't want to jinx it. So I think with another 10, these will fit really good. They fit nice now. They're comfortable. There's no issue with them. It's just that I like things to be like loose and flowy, and these are not that, but they are really cute. I like them a lot. Let me tie them a cuter way. They have this cute little tie in the front. And then I just love this top piece. This was why I bought it because, well, first of all, to support Birds Papaya, but also, I don't know, I just really love the thick straps and how high up it goes. I'm not wearing a bra with it, you can probably tell, but I like that I don't have to wear a bra with it. And overall, I do think they're really cute. I think they're a little tight on my tum. So anyway, I think this is it for today's video. I wanted to just kind of bring you along as I'm going to do things. You're not going to see like the finished wedding right now. If you guys want to see that, it'll be on Instagram stories. I assume on Saturday, I'll be posting a bunch about it, and I'll probably maybe do a reel about it as well. Like I said, thank you guys for coming along with me today and trying to figure stuff out. As far as making the chicken wire frames, that's what I'm going to do now. I also have to leave and go look for vases because I do not have vases anywhere. And I'm having a hard time finding them. The only vases that I've been able to find anywhere are the skinny ones. So I might just have to go with those, but I'm going to try a thrift store maybe. I don't know. I feel like they're not going to have anything uniform, if anything. Today is the first day I've woken up without a cluster headache in 6 days. I had one yesterday really bad. Yesterday was one of the worst ones I've had in over a year. It was a 10 of 10, like 11 of 10. I was literally pacing and screaming, which we didn't film that, okay? But I've had to take 4 injections in the last 6 days. So, but today, no pain, which is great. So far, so good. It's really great to not have pain. It's like amazing. So anyway, I hope I don't have pain on the wedding day, but I have to when I have these days, the days where I'm not in pain, I literally push myself so hard that the next day I hurt. But I have to because you just got to take advantage of these days. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thank you for everything. And I will see you guys very soon at my next video. And go over to Instagram if you guys want to see more content because I've been posting a lot over there. So, all right. Well, I thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you at my next video.